Hey, teacher! Do you want to teach amazing English classes? Then you need to know more about our conversation lessons for beginners. Using our lesson plans, you will amaze your students and keep them engaged throughout the whole class. With a beautiful design and excellent content, our lessons also have exclusive videos, native speaker audio files, and many resources for your classes. This pack of lessons is perfect for your students that are on A1 and A2 levels. They will practice their speaking, listening, and reading skills in a fun and interesting way. You will also have access to amazing worksheets that complement the lessons with more audios and engaging exercises. Do you want to have access to all of these incredible resources and lesson plans? Buy our lesson plans pack today and amaze your students with unforgettable classes.